Hi everyone, welcome. In the last video lecture, we have discussed starting the discussion about the universal gates. That is the universal gates. We have started the discussion about the universal gates. When I have told that universal gates are those which are capable of just deriving the basic logic gates. These all universal gates are the gates which are made up of a basic gates, and themselves they can derive or they can work as a basic logic gates. So what is the difference between these basic logic gates and universal gates? In the sense, while the preparation of a basic gates, this is expensive compared to the universal gates. Listen properly. Universal gates are capable of working same as that of basic gates like NOT gate, OR gate, and the OR gate, AND gate. But the basic gates, preparation of a basic gates are expensive compared to the universal gates. So we can replace the basic gates using the universal gates wherever we are using the basic gates. That is one of the major uses of a universal gates. And the universal gates are two types. Basically, there are two types. One is a NAND, another one is a NOR. In the last video lecture, I have explained you that how to convert the given NAND gate into the NOT gate, and NAND gate into the AND gate, and NAND gate into the OR gate, which are all the basic gates, logic gates for us. Now, in this section, I am going to explain you another one universal gate, that is NOR gate, and one of the application of the NAND gate. We can replace the every expression which is in the form of sum of products. Listen carefully. Here sum of products, not a sum of mean terms. I am telling just a product term. Sum of products, the expression which is in the sum of products can be expressed using the NAND gate. Using the NAND gate, purely using the NAND gate, we can express the sum of products form expression. We can design the sum of products expression using the purely NAND gate. Let us see. For this one, we have to include if you want to design the circuit for this one, in the sense, first one we have to see the operation involved in this products. Here we have a product between three literals. For that reason, we have to include one AND gate. Here it is a product format is there. For that, we have to include one AND gate with the three inputs. That is A, B, and for C. C is complement is there. For that, we have to insert the NOT gate between output input line and the AND gate. So A, B, and C. Here C complement we will get. Finally, we will get the A, B, C complement. And for this one, we have to include another one AND gate with the two inputs B and a C complement again. This one NOT gate we have to include here. For C complement we will get. So finally, we will get a B into C complement. And between these two AND gates, we have the OR operation, or else a logical addition operation. For that, we have to include the OR gate. We have to include the OR gate. Finally, we will get a ABC complement plus BC complement. This is what we are doing in designing the logical circuit for any given expression, Boolean expression. But when we are having the expression in the form of sum of products, in the form of sum of products, this is a product term, not a mean term. Don't just make a mistake. This is not a mean term. Mean term means the product of all literals. Here we don't have the all literals. Only some of the literals are there. So we have to call this one as a product, sum of products. So when we have the expression in the form of sum of products, we can replace every gate except the NOT one, or else you can replace this NOT also, or else as it is you can keep C complement directly. you can replace the every gate in the circuit by the NAND. That will gives you the same answer as like this one. Listen properly. When you have the expression in the form of sum of products, you can replace every gates, logical gates in the circuit by the NAND gate. That will gives you the same result as this design. Let us see that one. Let us see. Here for they have given the product sum of products expression. Let us have in the two product terms with the OR operation. So I will place one NAND gate with the three inputs for this one, A, B, C complement. NAND gate I am just designing the NAND gate for this one. Observe carefully for A, for B and for C complement as it is. Okay na? And for BC complement again one more NAND gate I am just designing here, B and C complement as it is. So it will give some result for you, and this output will be connected for the another NAND gate. For this we used to call it as a NAND to NAND logic network, when the expression in the form of sum of products. Okay na? Every product will be gets one NAND gate, output line will be gets another NAND gate. This will gives you the same result as it is. That is ABC complement plus BC complement. Let us see by just simplifying this one, this circuit. Let us see whether we are getting this one or not. Let us see this one. First one, for this NAND gate we will get A, B, C complement, whole complement. For NAND gate this is a whole complement, and for this one B, C complement, whole complement we will get. Okay na? Applying the NAND operation for these two, we will get here. Observe it clearly. A, B, C complement, whole complement into BC complement, whole complement. Applying the NAND gate for these two product terms, we will get this one, whole complement. Yes or no? Just by the De Morgan second theorem, X into Y whole complement is there. I will write it as a ABC complement whole complement plus BC complement whole complement. This is the what applying the this one. Yes, applying the De Morgan second law for this expression of a NAND to NAND network, we will get a ABC complement whole complement. This one splitted complement by whole complement will be splitted here, whole complement again, plus BC complement whole complement. So now you can just observe here and apply the one of the postulate, Boolean postulate, X complement whole complement will give you a X here. Just apply this postulate here, we will get a B, C complement, plus for this also apply this one B, C complement. This is what we used to say when they have given the expression, or else they have given a Boolean expression in the form of sum of products. Sum of products, when they give the sum of products expression form, we can replace every gate that may be a NOT gate, that may be a NAND gate, that may be a AND gate, that may be a OR gate. Every basic gates can be replaced by the NAND gate, so that we will get a same result as designing the logic circuit using the basic gates. It will give the same result as it is. Okay now. So this is the just making the design of a NAND to NAND logic network, and when you have to apply this in the sense, when you have the expression in the form of sum of products, at that time only you have to insert the NAND gate between that designing circuit. For designing the circuit you have to use the NAND gate. Understood? This is the how we have to we are using the NAND gate to design the given logical expression. This is the one thing. And let us go to the explaining the another one universal gate, NOR gate. Let us discuss that one. Yes, here you can observe the universal gate, NOR gate, where universal, you can call this NOR gate as a universal because we can design or also we can derive the basic logical gates using this universal gate, that is NOR gate, where NOR gate is nothing but it is a combination of a NOT gate and the OR gate, right? Let us see how to make a basic logic gates using the NOR gate. First one, using the NOR gate, we are deriving the NOT one. Here we are providing the single input multi times. We are providing the single input multiple times or else two times we can say to the NOR gate, which is required a minimum two inputs and the maximum it will use up only one output. Okay now. Let us see. This is provided with the, here we can see only a single input will be provided the two times. Single input x, that is provided two times, and that will gives you the, here I am just writing the expression or as a, it is proof. You can call it as a proof x nor x, which will give you in the arithmetical or a mathematical format. You can write it as a x plus x whole complement. X plus x is nothing but a x again complement, which is required one x. If x is a input in the sense, x complement is a output for you. This is the how we are designing the NOR to NOT, just providing the one input and splitting that input one single input as a two times. For the NOR gate, we will get a complemented form, that is a NOT gate operation. And then NOR to OR. If you want to convert the NOR gate into the OR gate, then you have to add the two NOR gates in serial. Two NOR gates in serial, and first NOR gate will having the two inputs x and y, and that will gives you the x plus y whole complement, and that output will be provided two times, splitted two times and provided two times to the next, that is the first and second. First NOR gate will be having the two inputs, that is the different inputs x and y, will gives you the x plus y whole complement, and that x plus y whole complement provided to the second NOR gate as a two times. So finally we will get a x plus y as a result, which is required for the NOR to OR gate. For proof, you can just look at the proof here. Here we have a x nor y and get the x plus y whole complement. That is not required for a proof. Directly I will consider from here x plus y whole complement, x plus y whole complement. That is the x plus y whole complement nor x plus y whole complement. Write here x plus y whole complement plus x plus y whole complement. This is what the NOR operation between the x plus y whole complement and x plus y whole complement. Just divide it using the De Morgan's first law, that is x plus y whole complement into x plus y whole complement. Apply the here De Morgan's first law. I am applying here first law, and here Boolean postulate x complement whole complement is equal to x, which will gives you x plus y into x plus y. And here one more postulate is that Boolean postulate, x into x is equal to, again you will get a x. Treat it as a x, and x you will get a x plus y as a result, which is the result of a OR gate. This is the how we are designing the OR gate using the NOR gate. Final one, we have to design the AND gate. Basic. Final, basic logic gate, AND gate using the NOR gate one. For this, we are using the 3 NOR gates. We are using the 3 NOR gates and a first level, second level. In the first level, we are using the 2 NOR gates in parallel. In the second level, those 2 NOR gate output will be connected in the second level. First level, 2 NOR gates are connected with the one input multiple times, that is X and Y. So those are like a NOR to NOT. So they will give you a X complement and a Y complement as a result. And these two X complement and Y complement result will be connected to the second level third NOR gate. Let us see the proof for this NOR to AND conversion. Let us see the proof. From here, from second level onwards, I will take into the consideration X complement NOR, Y complement, which will be in the mathematical form. We can write it as a X complement plus Y complement whole complement. Using the De Morgan's first law, I am writing this one as a X complement whole complement plus replace it into Y complement whole complement. In the format, X complement Y complement will be X into Y complement Y complement whole complement will be gives you the Y, which is the required finalized result for the AND gate. This is how we are going to just convert the just designing or deriving the basic logic gates using the NOR gate. From up to this one, we have learned how to convert the basic gates using the universal gates, and why we used to call a universal gates as a universal gates, and what are the different types of universal gates, what are the different types of basic logic gates, and what are the uses of logic gates, and how to convert the given Boolean expression into the designing logic gates, logical circuits. Like this, we have learned here in this chapter logic gates. We have the last concept called NOR to NOR network, using just designing the logical circuit using the NOR to NOR logical network. Let us see that topic. Yes, here in this topic is design for a NOR to NOR logical circuit, where when they have given an expression of the form product of sum, when the given expression is in the product of sum form, here you can observe sum. It is not a max term. Where max term is a sum of all literals in the system, and sum is nothing but just a sum of the literals. It may contain the all literals or else a sum of the literals. This sum is different and this sum is different. I am telling sum of the literals is nothing but a sum of some literals. For example, this system x plus y, x, y, z is containing the 3 literals, but this one sum term x plus y complement, this contains the x plus y complement, which is called as sum of some literals. Okay na? And this one is called as a max term. So we are considering here only the product of sum, not a canonical product of sum. And you know what you mean by max term, mean term, canonical POS and canonical SOP. I hope so. And let us see when they have given the expression in the sum product of a sum, we can replace every logic gate in that expression by NOR gate. When they have given the expression in the form of sum of products, we can replace it by a NAND gate. When they will give a expression in the product of sum, we can replace every gate in that expression by the NOR gate. How it will be? Let us see NOR gate with the two inputs. NOR gate with the two inputs x and y complement. You can provide a y complement here, or else you can insert a just a NOR gate for y complement also. That is left to you. Just for complements, they have commonly in that they will provide a directly they will provide a input. Otherwise you can use the NOR gate for that also. There is no problematic. When you use the NOR gate for this y complement, this will be like this. Here you can provide the y, you will get the y complement. This one you can keep here. Okay na? You can add here. There is no problem. And for that one, next sum term y plus z, I will provide an OR gate with the y and z two inputs. For third one, with the three inputs NOR gate x, y complement and z. Three inputs I am giving. And you can easily connect these three to the another NOR gate. It will provide you the expression as a result of this expression as like this. This is the one x plus y whole complement y plus z and x plus y complement z will provide you, or else you can make it simplify using the NOR gate operation. Make it simplify and see whether you are getting the same result or not. Let us see. For this one, I will make it simplify and I will give you the another expression of the form product of sum 1 and sum of products another one. You have to just make the circuit for that expressions and analyze, simplify and see whether you are getting the same answer or not. Let us see for this one. See, first let us numbering the NOR gates. First, second, third and a fourth NOR gate. First NOR gate gives you the result x NOR y complement. That is nothing but a x plus y complement whole complement. X NOR y complement is nothing but a x plus y complement whole complement. And NOR, because these 1, 2 and 3 are the inputs for this one fourth NOR gate. So you have to apply the NOR gate for these three outputs. What are the outputs you are getting here? You have to apply the NOR operation for those outputs. Are you understanding that or not my words? Just what are all the outputs you are getting here as a for NOR gates 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. You have to apply as a inputs for the fourth gate. So you have to apply the NOR operation between these three outputs. Okay na? Let us see. First output is a x plus y whole complement, x plus y complement whole complement, NOR y plus z whole complement, NOR x plus y complement plus z whole complement. X plus y complement plus z whole complement is the first expression, simplification of a first expression from this logic circuit or a logic design circuit. Okay now, then we have to simplify these three using just applying the NOR gate for this one. Just I am applying the NOR operation for these two first. First I will apply the NOR operation for these two. We will get a x plus y complement whole complement, or else apply to the all. Apply to all the literals, or else some terms. Just apply the NOR operation for these three. That will give you a x plus y complement whole complement plus y plus z whole complement plus x plus y complement plus z whole complement to the whole complement. And apply the second De Morgan's law. When you apply the second De Morgan's law, this complement will be splitted and all the plus symbols will be converted to the multiplication symbol or a dot symbol will give you a x plus y whole complement to the whole complement again. Okay na? Into y plus z complement whole complement into x plus y complement plus z whole complement to the whole complement. This is the just next step for this one. When you simplify this one, you will get a x plus y complement. Only the x plus y complement you will get. Whole complement will be gets cancelled. This is also whole complements will be gets cancelled. You will get only x plus z, x plus y complement plus z. You are getting the result. After simplifying for the next step, we will get the same result as it is. For the purpose Boolean postulates, we have a x complement whole complement is equal to x. Just apply this Boolean postulates for these three terms. So you will get a final result. This is how we are converting or also just designing the given expression using the NOR. When we have the expression in the form of sum of products, when we have that form or also that expression, we can design the logical circuit using the NOR to NOR network. This is the completion of your logic gates chapter. For this section, I will give the one homework. I will give the two expressions that containing the one expression containing the product of sum and another one expression containing the sum of products. You have to just design the logic gates using the universal gates. Either it is just equal to the NAND gate or else a NOR gate. Just first expression f of a comma b comma c is equal to a into b whole complement, a into b complement plus a into b into c complement plus b c complement. This is the just, or else you can just make it as a b complement c complement, b complement into c complement. Second one, f of a comma b comma c is equal to same a plus b complement into a plus b plus c complement into b complement plus c complement. This is the homework for you. You have to design the circuits, logic circuits for this one using the NAND and NOR. Wherever this is just seems to be NAND gate or else where it seems to be product of sum, just apply there NAND gate. Where it seems to be sum of products, just apply the NOR gate. And this is a completion of your second chapter, that is the logic gates. And I will provide the notes for this chapter and make it note on your fair notes. You have to write all the question and answer what I have given you. Let us see in a next class or next video lecture.